Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood with another lecture of Passivize. This is the fourth lecture of this series. Today we will learn some more rules about Passivize. How we convert activize into passivize of cognate objects? Cognate objects mean similar in origin to the verb. Nouns like song from sing, life from live, fight from fight, race from run, laugh from laugh. These are the cognate verbs, cognate objects, sorry. Cognate objects in the active voice will become subject in the passive voice. He has lived a sad life. This is cognate object. So this object will become a subject in passive voice. A sad life has been lived by her. They have fought a good fight. A good fight is a cognate object. It will be converted into a subject in the passive voice. A good fight has been fought by them. She has sung a song. A song has been sung by her. A song is cognate object. A good fight is a cognate object. So all of these cognate objects will become subject in the passive voice. This is the usage of cognate. How can we use can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must? In with these words or model auxiliaries as we call them, we use first form of the verb. In passive voice, we will add be because third form is used with be. So we will make them in passive voice can be, could be, shall be, etc. etc. So verb from the above list plus be plus third form of the verb we will use to make passive voice of these sentences in which these model auxiliaries are used. I can beat you. It will be changed to can be beaten. Shall help. It will be changed into you will be helped. We might help. Might be helped. Must do. Must be done. As in red, you are saying you are watching on the screen. You should help. You, sh- you should help the poor. The poor should be helped. You should waste her time. She would waste her time, would be wasted her time. As subject will be changed into object, object will be changed into subject. This is the general rule. So I'm stressing only on the changes which you will make while using these auxiliary verbs. He may solve this problem. This problem may be solved by him. He could not guide me. I could not be guided by him. So you will use be with these model auxiliaries to use third form, as third form is used in passive voice, but in active voice you cannot use any other form except the first form with these model auxiliaries. So to make passive voice of active sentences in which these verbs has been used, we use be with them. Now there are interrogative sentences with 8 kind of age, like what, when, where, why, which, who, whose, whom, and how. One age. How, who is changed into by whom, and by whom is converted into who, except that we retain the same word in the passive voice. Keep it in mind, negative in active voice will remain negative in passive voice. Interrogative in active voice will remain interrogative in passive voice. Who has written this book? By whom has this book written? Whose purse have you stolen? Whose purse has been stolen. Subject will be made into, will be converted into object, and object will be converted into subject. This is the general rule of passive voice, making passive voice. These are the same changes I have told you in the very first lecture. How can I help you? How can you be helped by me? What are they doing? What is being done by them? You are seeing that interrogative is retained as it is in the passive voice. When will you buy a car? When will a car be bought by you? Where do you keep your books? Where are your books kept by you? Why are you wasting your time? Why is your time being wasted by you? Which college does your brother attend? Which college is attended by your brother? Same changes as we have learned in the first lecture. And in interrogative, we keep the interrogative form of the sentence in the passive voice as it is in the active voice. Don't forget this rule, and we don't convert into it into a simple sentence. So thank you very much for watching. With another lecture of passive voice, I will be here. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.